How to add timeline on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add timeline on Snapchat easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Click on Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do now to add the timeline is by clicking here on this add option, and now click on timeline right here. Now as you can see here, you can add the timeline easy and click OK. As you can see, this is the timeline option. You can set a timer and choose whatever you want from here, and after you finish, click here. It's very easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.